Good morning, everyone. So welcome to today's Anviz webinar. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Peter, and I'm the product managing director from Axins Group. And now Anviz is become a brand of Axins Group. And firstly, I want to thank for your long time supporting our business. So it's really long time we don't have these kind of methods to launch our new products. So today, we will launch our M7 Palm. It's a new palm recognition terminal to all of you. So let me introduce my colleague,
Hello,
Raj.
Hello, everyone. This is Raj, currently working as a technical support engineer at Anviz.
Okay, so hope everybody can see the presentation. So let me start this kind of presentation for you. Okay, firstly, let me have two questions for you. So if you have an answer, then you can type your words in the chat box so we can know your relationship with Anviz. First question is, so who has collaborated with Anviz for more than 5 years? So if you have more than 5 years experience to working with Anviz, you can put number 2 in the chat box so we can know. And then second question is, how many of you already sell Anviz biometric access control products? So you are not only know Anviz, but also start to sell Anviz products. So you can type 3 in the chat bar so we can know. Okay, I think you already typed the words in the chat box. So let's go forward for the first part. So I will give you a rough idea about the palm vein recognition technologies. So we define the palm vein technology is the future contactless identification way. As we know, we already have the fingerprint, we already have the facial recognition, and why we recommend you the palm vein recognition products. So on this kind of webinar, we'll give all the answers about this. So this page, we can see the comparison about different kinds of ways for biometric recognition. So we have the facial recognition, we have the sound recognition, voice recognition, we have finger recognition, and we have iris recognition, and also we have the palm print recognition. And also we can see on the right corner, we'll have the palm vein recognition. So on the right side, there's a chart to compare the FR rate and the FAR rates. So we can see, like for the accuracy side, the palm vein recognition is just lower than the iris recognition. But the easy to use way is the highest, because for the iris recognition products, normally you can see it at airports, customs, but normally you will pay a long time to recognize your iris, 3 seconds, 5 seconds. But for palm vein recognition, later will give you the experience how fast it is. Okay, how do we get the palm vein recognition, or how do we get the features of your palm vein, and why it is a security measures? So on the left side, we can see a picture, is a visible picture of your normal hand. And then the second picture is what we see under the infrared lights. And the right side, we can see, like from your palm vein images, we can select the features of your hand. Okay, let's continue. So let's go on with this page. So this is the how we get your palm vein features from the visible light imager, and we can get the clear image under the infrared lights, and then we can get the features of your palm vein. Then we can create the templates and recognize it. Okay, there's the advantages for palm vein recognition technologies. Firstly, it's a security way, because from the previous page we have compared different kind of FRR, FAR rates, so we can see like palm vein technology is the most security way to recognize. And then it's a reliability, because from your 8 years old to your 80 years old, your palm vein will be never changed. So it will be very stable and reliability. And the privacy, because palm vein is not, we can see on the surface, it's inside your palm. So it's typically belongs yourself. So it's a highly privacy methods. And then it's hygienic because it's 100% touchless way. So it's not a touchable biometric way. So, and finally is the precision. So we can overall say that palm vein recognition has these 5 advantages. That's why we recommend the vertical industries, the access control to use. Okay, then let's go back to the second part. Let's talk to the M7 Palm products. So we define these products as the next generation biometric access control for greater security and intelligence. Firstly, for M7 Palm, we use an AI CPU, so it can realize the recognition speed very fast, under 0.5 seconds. And the FAR rates and the FR rates is the lowest in the industry. So firstly, we use this AI CPU to powerful this kind of device. And then we have been the broadest range of applicability, because we can see like not only white, the colors, the shapes, and also the angles for recognition. The M7 Palm device can be recognized clearly, quickly, and securely. Okay, for the application side, right now, these 6 industries, vertical industries, we highly recommended to use our M7 Palm products. So bank, data center, lab, airport, prison, and the government. So as we say, or we can see like these kind of industries, they already use fingerprint and facial recognition, but sometimes they cannot avoid the highly fake recognition. So to avoid this kind of loss, so the government is already strongly recommend to use palm vein terminals. So that's why. And also this, what we recommend our device to be applied in this kind of vertical industries. Okay, this is another 3 important features of this terminal. Firstly, we have the smart distance measurement. Later, we will show you. You don't need any stand to put your palm on it, so it can clearly or accurately recognize your palm. And secondly, we have the multiple security ways to identify you, not only the palm, but also RFID card, the PIN codes. So we have multiple ways to protect you. And thirdly, this device is fully auto design. So it with IP66 to realize water and dust proof. And also it with IK10 feature to realize the vandal proof. And also it with a PoE feature. So only one RJ45 cable, you can realize the power and the data communication of this device. Okay, on the software side, as you know, the Anviz, we have 2 versions of cross-checks, cross-checks cloud and cross-check standard. Cross-checks cloud is just for SMB, and cross-check standard is for professional application for access control and time attendance. So M7 is a professional access control device. So we strongly, or we recommend to use cross-check standard to manage this kind of terminal. So it can have up to 500, 1,000 devices in one project, also no problem. Okay, so we provided a simple way to build the access control system for M7 Palm. So as similar to other Anviz access control device, we provide a standalone installation. The M7 can directly trigger the magnetic lock. And also we providing a safer way. The M7 can link with a microcontroller and then can trigger the magnetic lock. So all this device can use the PoE cable through a router and you can use your PC to manage all the device. Okay, this is the specifications for M7 Palm. So I can point out some key features. Firstly, the users. Right now, the M7 Palm we support 500 users. So you can use in the major, small, and the medium business environments. And then the records we support 50,000. Okay, so this is the first part, the presentation part for this palm van industry and our M7 palm van products. So as our forecast in this kind of webinar, we will have a lucky draw period or sector. So this sector, let's have a first lucky draw. So let's pick up who is the lucky one who can get this Apple Watch. Okay, everyone can see my screen, right? I've put all of your name in this kind of chart. Okay, let's see who is the lucky one. The winner is Richard K. That's graduated. So Grace, you can record this kind of name and then we can contact him for an Apple Watch. Okay, let's move on to the live demo part. So I will transfer to my colleague Raj. So we will have the demo, real demo for you.
Yeah.
Raj, please.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the live demo sessions. So now I'm going to show you some users, how to add a user and some functions. So first of all, our new Anviz M7 Palm is very strong and long lasting because of its metallic body. And now we are gonna show you how to add a user. So first of all, you have to power up the device. So for this, we need the power cable that we already connect to the power. And here you can see there is a port. Yeah. So you need just few clicks to add a user. It's very fast. So you will get into the menu, click on user, enroll, and put the user ID. Press OK. And now scan the face palm.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
see.
it's cool. Here, so you have already registered your PAM. So could you please try to unlock it? Yeah. So try again, please. Yeah, it's very fast and quick to unlock using the palm. So now
How does it work with the sunlight? Let's try. Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's try with the sunlight. If the sunlight comes on your palm, how it works? Yeah.
Also working?
It's very fast. Yeah. Yeah, it's very fast. Now let's try with some wet palm.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you some water. Could you please pour some water on your palm and try to authenticate it again? Yeah.
Now I with some water.
Yeah.
Can also work.
So it also works. So now let's have a try with dirty palm.
Yes.
So I'm going to give you the pan.
Yeah, because for some construction site, for some areas, so we'll have the dirty hands. See? Add more.
Yeah. Now we can have a try with the dirty hands. Yeah, it's really fast.
And different
It really
angles,
works.
very freedom. Yeah.
Right.
Distance around 20 to 30 centimeters. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all. Thank you.
You can show the design.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here, first of all, you can see the body of this new M7 palm. It's totally metallic, the both sides. I mean, the all side is the metal, and we have a little screen here. You can use it for the menu to add the user, delete user, set up and set logs and all things. And we have a tiny, beautiful keyboard. You can use it for adding your add user. And also here is the alarm icon that you can use. And also we have here is a palm vein camera that is really works fast, and it can scan your palm and it can authenticate very quickly. So, and here is the RFID module that it can help you to use your RFID for the authentication. So yeah, it's very beautiful and tiny. I think you can use it in your SMB business, and it's really strong and long lasting. So you can use it indoor and outdoor all the area. That's all. So,
Okay.
yeah, if you have any questions about it, you're welcome to ask.
So thanks, Raj. So the final part is the FAQ. So question and answers, Q&A part. So
Yeah, right.
if you have any question, you can.
Share this.
我这屏幕没了，这里吗？潘总那里也没了。分享屏我等一下，等一下。OK。Okay, so the third part is the mutual beneficial and the win-win policies for our partnership for M7 Palm products. So firstly, why the benefits or why to cooperate with our M7 Palm products and why we're selling this kind of products from your side. So we give you 4 reasons and 4 conditions. Firstly, this technology is a world-leading technology. So we're leading the next generation technologies. As we know that there's several Japanese and Korean brands is selling this kind of technologies like Hitachi, Fujitsu, but they only use this technology on the personal identification, not access control. So we can say like Anviz is the first one or one of the first one who use this kind of highest security technology into the commercial application. So this is the first reason. And the second reason, as we don't have so many competition on the market, so we can provide higher profit. So we sell you and you sell to the market with high pricing, and you can get the first level of fund. So first period of big funds for this kind of products. And we have large market opportunities. So for palm vein recognition markets, so we can expect a very big or very stable increasing rate, about 22% annually increasing rate for palm vein technologies. And for the facial recognition, only 16%. So it's like 6% more than facial recognition. Have any questions, and you can put up a hand. So we'll pick you so you can talk with our engineer. Yeah. Okay, Raj?
Yeah, thank you, Peter. Yeah, so if you have any questions, so you're welcome to ask me. I'll try to help you. So if you have any questions, you can put in the chat box. So we'll pick it from the chat box and answer to you.
Any questions?
Yeah. So Peter, would you please check the chat box?
About PoE, how much watts is, I think is 12 watts, right?
Yeah, it's
12 watts, yeah. So 802.3, 80, I think it's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's right. Standard PoE, yes.
Yeah, it's standard PoE.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, everyone. So let's go for the final round, lucky draw for today. So let's see who is the lucky one who get this final iPad. So wait a moment.
Okay, Peter. So
Mm.
before that, we can take some questions. So here,
Okay.
yeah, I can see some questions. Is that it can be used in outdoor? Yeah, you can easily used in outdoor. So it's very strong and long lasting. No, it wouldn't be affected by the sun. So it's IP66 and IK10 stronger. And the user capacity is 500 lux. Yeah, it's 500 user capacities. I mean, you can you like user can use 500. But if you use two hand, then it would be 250 pounds. And if you use one hand, then it would be totally 500 pounds.
Mm. One question is about the NDA certificate. Yes, we compatible with the NDA certificate as we didn't use any kind of material which is banned by the US government. So we are strongly NDA certificate, and also for this terminal is fully GDPR compatible. So all these data are equipped by AES 256 by Anviz protocols. Yeah.
Yeah. So okay. I can take another one. The cross-check software will be updated for PAM templates. Yeah, the cross-check, you can use the cross-check software to update your PAM templates. And the next one is, do PoE can power up single magnetic lock
Yes.
connected to the M7? Yeah, the PoE can power up. Yeah.
Yeah. Like our M7 VF30 Pro with the PoE, it can be a standalone access control terminal. Yeah.
Yeah, and the PoE, and you don't need any power supply. So this PoE can use as a power supply and the Ethernet as well. I mean the Ethernet. Okay, yeah. It doesn't have any Wi-Fi. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can ask us.
Okay, everyone ready? Let's start.
Okay, let's start the draw.
Oh, Marine B, let's congratulations. You will get a iPad.
Wow.
So very lucky.
Yeah, very lucky. Yeah.
Congratulations.
That's great. Congratulations.
Yeah. So we will email you and you can provide the details and we will try to find a way how to sending this kind of gifts to your hand. And also our lucky packages is available on the end of November. So if you show us you're interesting to get this kind of $999 package, you can email us and we will have the salesperson to talk with you to our corporation and we'll guide you how to get it and how to do it. Yeah. So hopefully this is the first round of presentation of our M7 Palm and we will send you all the details about this kind of products, including flyers, user manuals, videos. So you can also visit our website to see all the details. But I think it's just the start, not the end. So let's keep in touch. And then let's do mutual win-win business together. Thank you for this coming. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you.